Welcome to the Perfect Painter Tool Review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today, I'm going to be doing a review video on the Hart 16-inch 20-volt lawnmower. His son is not playing no games. But anyway, I picked this up on clearance at a Walmart about 30 minutes from me for $95. Felt like I had to buy it. It came with two 4-amp-hour batteries and a charger. One battery alone is $79 MSRP. It's a 2-in-1 mower. It has mulching and bagging, so it comes with a bag, and of course it has a little plug that you got to take out to put the bag on. You can see it right behind me. This is one of the lightest lawnmowers that I've seen. It's a 40 pounds, that's what the box says. It's a brushed motor. So I'm gonna take it out front. I've already used it once last weekend just to test it out. And I can tell you these batteries get super hot. So we're gonna be taking the temperature reading of the battery once it fully drains, and also a runtime test. So stay tuned and we'll see what it can do. So this is it. Now you can see I don't have a very big yard, so this type of mower is perfect for me. You have your battery compartment here. This is a 4. You can see there's plenty of room here in case they ever come out with a bigger battery. This will probably fit a 12-amp-hour battery. Got your key here. Comes automatically inserted. I don't even remove the thing because I don't want to lose it. Got your bag, which just snaps right in and out. You got your hangers. Hold on a second, gotta put you down. Okay. You can see your little hooks here. Go right in these. Sorry, I don't have a cameraman. Now this is your plug. When you want to use the bag, you gotta pull that out. When you want to mulch, leave it in. We're gonna be mulching today mainly. I may just do a demonstration on the bag for you, see how it works. But I want to do a runtime test also on the battery, so I'll have a second battery fully charged that I'll swap out after the bag test. So this is your height adjustment. It goes from 1.5 inches all the way up to 4. That is probably the widest adjustment on any battery powered lawnmower on the market that I've seen anyway. This of course has a brushed motor. This is your single lever adjustment, height adjustment. I go on that one. It's probably about 2 inches. Don't tell you exactly each notch what they are. That's about 2 to 2.25 inch height. So yeah, we're gonna see what it can do. One thing I forgot to mention is how to start the thing. Push this button in, hold it, and pull the lever. Sounds kind of like a vacuum or something. It's pretty quiet for a lawnmower. So we're gonna do the bag test. I'll pass or two, see what it does, and then we'll mulch. All right, let's see what the bag can do.
Let's see. It's actually really good.
Yeah, I might need to lower it one. Hold on.
I like how it's like blue.
You can see my lawn ain't very long, but it gave it a nice clean cut. 2 quick passes. I don't see any loose grass around.
Oh.
Grab that, Jackson, this bag so we can look in there. I collected a good amount of grass just from 2 short passes. So I'd say the bagging is effective.
We got some on
Yeah,
outside.
we dropped some. So next we're gonna do mulching. I'm gonna mulch the whole yard. And we'll see what she can do.
Does.
Alright, we're going to time the battery. When I tell Jackson to push that, he's gonna push it. Where's the glare? It's on 0. Oh, you pushed it the wrong time. Hold on.
Oh crap. I'm
Reset.
sorry.
Yep, when he pushes that button, I'm gonna start up the mower. We're gonna time the battery.
You guys
I'm not
all know
gonna.
that I'm his nephew. So
Yeah, it's my nephew Jackson.
I help him do.
So I'm not gonna record the whole thing, the whole runtime. I'm just gonna show y'all when the battery dies and what is on the stopwatch. All right, go ahead and push it, Jackson. Okay. We'll be right back. Okay, we still have 1 bar on our battery, but it's so hot, point it right here, Jackson, that the mower won't turn back on. You got 113 of a reading. Now point at the bottom right here. Point it right here. Right here on the battery.
Okay.
So 113, 117 is our high on the battery. You can see it won't go. Stand back. It won't turn back on. We still have 1 bar on our battery. All right, stop. Second.
Well,
And we were at just over 13 minutes. 13 minutes, 26 seconds. Now, when you get down to 1 bar on this battery, it goes into a battery saver mode where it runs low. It'll still cut the grass, which I did over here on the low mode. It goes into a battery saving mode where it just runs at a lower RPM and quieter RPM. You can hold it. So I guess that's something that's built into the mower. So when you get down to 1 bar, the RPM level is going to drop down, and I'd assume it's a battery saving mode. So now, point it over here. I'm going to put in a new battery, and we're going to mulch that little patch of the neighbor's grass there so y'all can see what it can do.
Yep.
All right, hit the button. Okay. So I like the lawnmower. I mean, it cuts nice and clean, smooth, even. You got a ton of height adjustment settings. I just like it. I got 13.5 minutes runtime on one battery, and I believe I would have got 15 minutes. They claim 30 minutes runtime with both batteries, which would be 15 apiece. It goes into a like I said, a low RPM, I guess, battery saving mode. Once the battery gets low, it still have 1 bar on the battery, not a full bar, but it was close to dying. Now, when it was still running, when I let go, turned it off, and tried to turn it back on, it wouldn't cut back on. So I don't know if that's because the battery was 117 degrees, or if the charge was too low to power the mower, which I don't believe that's what it was, to be honest, because it was just running before I let go of the trigger to turn it off. So I think it was because the battery was 117 degrees. I could be wrong, but if I wouldn't have let go, I think I would have got that 15 minutes of runtime or close to it. So check your Walmarts. While these kits are $100 to $150 depending on which location, you may want to pick one up. It's a really good deal for a really good mower. Now, obviously, if you have a huge lawn, it's not going to work for you unless you got a ton of batteries. It only comes with 2. You'll get 30 minutes runtime max. Some people are saying they only get 8 minutes per battery. I don't know if that's because their lawn is long or what, but I got 13.5 minutes runtime with 1 battery. And I had just cut it the week before. So if you cut your grass every weekend, you'll probably get around 30 minutes runtime with both batteries. So like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.